Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to change the windshield washer nozzles from the jet ones that I have now to the fan ones, and let me show you why I'm changing them. Yep, so only two working on this side, one hitting my windshield and one spraying over the car, and one is clogged there and one is clogged here. And this is about a week after I've actually unclogged all of them. So yeah, that's why I'm changing. As you can see, I have one of the nozzles out and I'm getting the second one out. You just put your knife a bit to the front and pull on it like this, and now it is lifted a bit and it's out. These are the clips that give way better than the ones in the back, because the ones in the back would break if you force from here, so force it from the front. And there, as you can see, I have the non-heated ones, but the ones that I bought are heated because I plan on adding some wires to make mine heated, but not now because I don't have enough time, so that will be done in a future video. So next, need to get this black part out of the way without breaking it, which is rather tricky with a single hand because I'm filming with a mobile phone. Okay, and everything is out, as you can see, which is pretty good. So I will do the same thing on the other one. Both nozzles are out, and now I'm going to measure the exact size of this hole, so I can tell you for your particular model if it actually works as a drop-in replacement, as a direct replacement, or you need an additional part right here. More information about these compatibilities you will find in the description of the video, and also the code for that additional part. I know for sure that for A4 B7, for example, you need that part, but for the B8 these are drop-in replacements, but I will check the size of the holes and tell you that next. Okay, this is the length of the hole, so it's 8.5 centimeters. And the width of the hole is 3 centimeters. So for these dimensions, 8.5 by 3, these parts are a drop-in replacement. Okay, we have here the original ones, just dropped something. As you can see, this part number right there. And for the other one, it's a bit harder to see the part number, but hopefully you can still see it. And they are not identical. I'm not sure, but these things might be one for the left side and one for the right side. But the new ones, they are identical. You do not need one for left and one for right. And one moment, I will also show you that part number. The ones that I bought are not original. The part number is right here. And they should work for both sides without any issues. So let's put them back in. Just want to add something. The old ones you would adjust by putting something in the hole and forcing them. As you can see, the one in the middle is clogged in this particular situation. The new ones adjust with this screw here. And from what I understand from forums, for our B8 they need to be at the maximum height or level, whatever. But I will adjust them once they are in and see where they actually hit on the windshield. That one is already in and locked in place. As you can see, it's a perfect fit. This one is inserted and I'm locking it now. Okay, it's locked at this point. And put it in like this, so the part towards us is the one that goes in first, and then start pushing it in and it's locked. Perfect. and you can see one of them right there, and I will do a quick test to see where it hits, and if I don't like it I will adjust it. Okay, fully adjusted into the highest position possible. Now this is what I'm talking about. Yes, it would be awesome if they could go a bit higher. That is clear. Maybe the original OEM ones also get a bit higher, but I bought these cheaper ones and I'm still happy. As you can see, they spray even here, but they do a bit of a finer mist. But yeah, way better than what Audi put on this car from the factory. And yeah, for sure I looked a bit better. The original ones are one for left, one for right. These replacements are the same on both sides, which is awesome. So that's about it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Hopefully you've enjoyed the video, in which case please give it a like, check out my other videos, and as always, see you in the next one. Bye.